So hello guys, this is me V Vaibhav, and today I'm going to show a small tutorial in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade on how to make a maze game and how to set a timer in the game so the player can finish the maze within the time. We are going to start by naming the project as maze. Because I've already named it as maze, I'm going to name it as maze sample. Okay, so now the project is getting created. First, you need to set the background color because the background color is black and you'll not like the color in the game. So we can change it to any color, but I prefer orange. Next, you need to go to sprites. You set the sprite to a random player. So I am keeping the player as this girl. Done. This is the girl player and we need to move the sprite with buttons. Next, you need to set the tile map. Okay, so for the tile map, you need to fill everything and then you do erase a part. That is the place where the player should move. Okay, I am going to set it to dungeon. There are many types of tiles you can use, but I am selecting dungeon. Okay, now I am going to fill. For the tiles, you can even make your own tiles. Next, we are going to erase. I am just making a basic game. A simple tile map. Okay. Now we need to draw the wall. The place wherever the sprite should not walk, you need to draw the wall. By mistake I drew a wall in the walking space. I will erase it in a minute. So after you have done the making the wall, then I will tell you the next steps what to do. After you have done making the wall, then you need to set the start and end point. Then only the player can know when is the start, when is the end. Okay, so now I'm going to erase a little bit of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 5. Okay, so this is the wall. So in this itself, you need to set the start and end point so that the player can make the player to start and to win. Okay. Now go to C and place my sprite on top of random start point. C. When the sprite overlaps the finish line, you need to set the game thing to game over win. Before we do this, first we need to set a countdown. And the countdown I'm setting it to 60 seconds. Then now let's quickly play. Okay, small mishap, I fix it. Let me erase the wall. Done. Now I'm going to now I'm trying to finish the game. Okay, we don't know what is the problem, so we'll try to fix it. So before I made a small mistake, we need to set the camera follow sprite. Now the sprite can move here. So if we go to win, the sprite will win. So this is the tutorial guys. See you next time in another tutorial. Bye bye.